Okay, so you have your lovely home wall box installed. The next question is, how can you make the most of this investment and make your life even more convenient? Well, it's time to plug into some of the answers. So, assuming that you have an electric car, or perhaps you're about to get one, the best piece of advice I can give you isn't to do with the charger, or in fact with the car. It's actually to do with your energy tariff. Yeah, I thought that might get your attention. Now, what a home charger actually allows you to do is take advantage of cheap overnight tariffs. But to do that, you need to be with an energy supplier that can offer you cheap overnight power. Yes, I know, it can be a faff to switch, and some suppliers will need you to prove that you have an electric car, but the benefits can be huge. Not only can you charge your car up for less, you can run any of your other appliances at the same time and make some big savings. So if perhaps you fancy a bit of 2 a.m. ironing, you can now do it on the cheap. Now, one of the best things about a home charger is scheduling. If you have cheap overnight electricity, you can actually tell the charger to only dispense power to your car during that period. It's usually relatively simple to set up with an app, which means you don't have to go in the cold and start prodding a load of buttons.
So you can just plug in when you get home, and when the cheap overnight rates start, the charger gets to work. If you do have more than one car, or don't want to set the timer in your car, which can be bafflingly complicated, getting the charger to do the scheduling is just the ticket.
Now, some of the more advanced chargers, like this one, the Evios, for example, come with some really neat features. So with this unit, you can have different users who access the point with their own unique PIN number. So for example, if maybe you're doing a house share and you're sharing your home wall box with other people and you all have your own electric cars, then you can keep tabs on exactly who uses what when. You can actually even get this unit to tell you how much each session is going to cost you because it's integrated within your energy tariff. How neat is that?
If you're thinking about adding some solar panels, you're going to need a charger that can talk to your panels and any battery storage you might have installed. Not literally, of course. That would be weird.
That means that you can charge in the cheapest and greenest way possible. Now, there are a few chargers like this one that have been built to work with solar systems. So it's important that you choose the right unit first time around if you're heading in that direction. We do actually have a whole section dedicated to solar chargers, so check it out.
Finally, and this might sound really obvious, but make sure you do your homework when it comes to where you want your charger to go. Electric cars come with charging ports in all kinds of places. Some have them at the front, others the rear left, others the rear right, or maybe even the front wing. Chances are you'll change your electric car more often than you'll change your charger. So do try and choose a location that will allow you to use it, whatever car you choose next.
So there you have it, everything you need to know about how to get the most out of your home charger. We do have a full series of explainer videos on electrifying.com. So if you do have any other questions about which charger to choose and how it all works, then make sure you head there and enjoy.